Hello everyone, in this video I will review the HTC NE20 AI Translator headset. The HTC NE20 AI Translator headset is a wireless earbuds headset that offers real-time translation in over 140 languages. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, an LCD touchscreen, and a comfortable design, making it suitable for travelers or anyone who needs to communicate in multiple languages. The headset is priced at $56. The headset supports real-time translation, but users have reported mixed experiences. The translation feature can sometimes be inaccurate, clunky, or unreliable. The sound quality is bass-heavy but may lack clarity for some users. Battery life is advertised as 6 to 8 hours, but in real-world use, it usually lasts around 3 to 4 hours. The design includes durable materials and a non-slip fit for comfort. It also has an IPX6 water resistance rating, which protects it from sweat or light rain. Despite these features, some users have expressed concerns about its overall reliability and longevity. Overall, the HTC NE20 AI Translator headset is an interesting concept that combines wireless audio with real-time translation. It may work for casual or traveler use, but if accurate and consistent translation is your main goal, it might be better to consider other devices that are proven to be more reliable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.